the learnings that I got and the exposure that I got with my new colleagues, my peers, I think that's the major, I would say, reward for me. So, hi guys, my name is Dhruv Sood. I belong to Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, but from last 10 years, I am settled out in Chandigarh, Mohali. I am working as a graphic designer. It's been 6 years I am working as a graphic designer. I just was scared after the presence of generative AI for 2 or 3 months, how it is affecting our work, mostly the work of us being a UI UX designer. How like OpenAI tools or Copilot or any other AI software, is giving a output just in a seconds, where we used to put a lot of efforts like 2 hour, 3 hour, or 5 hour. It is just giving a task in just less than a minute, and that's really amazing. We need to be like upskill ourselves with these types of technologies, because I believe that in future our work will get hampered because of these technologies. So this was the main motivation for me to get enrolled in this program. So, if I talk about my learning experience, it was a great journey and a great experience for me, wherein I got peers from the entire globe, and that too from different job roles that we never, get a chance to interact with in our day-to-day work life. So, I believe it was an amazing journey for me while working and learning with my co-peers and the professionals actually who are working in the company, and they actually spare time for us, like to train us on the different modules and take our sessions and motivate us to learn and grow and implement, and think that was a really amazing stuff that I experienced in this program. The learnings that I got and the exposure that I got with my new colleagues, my peers, I think that's the major, I would say, reward for me. Moreover, I just wanted to share an instance wherein I just learned a part of user research, and I implemented it that at my personal level, and you guys won't believe, I just got amazing results in a week. So I think that is the power of UX research that I got and from this program, and I would like to implement this thing in each and every, I would say, project that I am working on or I will start working on. So to be very frank, I have never told my parents about this program that I will be going through. I just told them at the end of my program when I got the certificate, see, mom, dad, I just cleared my post graduation from University of Texas. The reason being, I know the generation gap that we have with our parents. They might not understand our work culture, how it goes, and while we are putting so much of money, how effective will it be and not. And they were really happy actually when they saw that I just arranged loans and everything from my end. I did my certification from my end for the 6 months, that too from the reputed university. And they were really, I would say, surprised and happy for that. This is the best program that you can do, and I would recommend all of you to go ahead with this program. Not only this program, but I would suggest to look into your domain, what your domain lies into, and somewhat related to that, you should do some programs to upskill yourself on a regular interval, right? So that you can enhance your skills better and you can stay ahead of industry going foot by foot.